Healthy snack is equal to boring. Let's break that myth right away.
A chilla filled with goodness of quinoa, oats, made quick into a wrap. Make the batter as instructed on the packet. Cook and flip, then apply chutney, veggies and paneer of your choice. And your after-school snack is ready. Yummy, wholesome and filling for growing minds.
Make snacking protein-packed and fiber-rich with this recipe. Let's make healthy fun.